चलेगा समय एक ऐसा चक्र जिससे छिड़ेगी एक महाजंग। न्यू महा ब्लॉकबस्टर छोटा भीम इन समय चक्र 1 मई थर्सडे सुबह 11:30 बजे सिर्फ पोगो पर।
Ready, Bheem?
Yes, Raju.
Careful now. You need to secure the prize quickly.
What prize? I thought I had to rescue Indumati and Chutki from the evil villain's clutches.
Dude, you need to learn the lingo. Get into the character. Spies and agents on missions need to speak in code like this.
Spies and agent? Code? What exactly have you been doing when I was away?
Oh, just forget it. Get on with the mission, will you? You only have a 5-second window to get to the door.
Roger that. You are supposed to get me out of trouble, not land me in one.
I am trying, Bheem. Okay, there should be a vent in the wall in front of you. Get inside it, and I will guide you to the place where they are most likely holding the girls. Ready, Bheem?
Yes, Raju.
Careful now. You need to secure the prize quickly.
What prize? I thought I had to rescue Indumati and Chutki from the evil villain's clutches.
Dude, you need to learn the lingo. Get into the character. Spies and agents on missions need to speak in code like this.
Spies and agent? Code? What exactly have you been doing when I was away?
Oh, just forget it. Get on with the mission, will you? You only have a 5-second window to get to the door.
Roger that.
Rooster? You rooster?
Where has boss gone?
He said he'll be here. Hey, Dholu Bolu, why haven't the two of you got ready till now, huh?
Oh.
Wow, boss,
What?
it's you. How am I looking in this costume? Very what? Very beautiful, boss. I know.
All the laddus are now ready.
And now we are all set to welcome His Majesty and the Princess.
Jaggu, hide the laddus, or else someone might steal them.
Yes, Raju. A lot of thieves are roaming in the village these days.
Let's go to the palace and start the other preparations.
What a strange feather.
Come on, Jaggu.
Breaking into our boss's house will not spare you. Hey, hold on! Dholu Bolu!
Dholu Bolu, this is not a thief. This is our
Kalia boss!
Look what the two of you fools did.
Please forgive us, boss. We thought it was something.
And look here, what you did to this doll. You spoiled the gift I bought for the princess. Useless guys.
no.
Bring the laddus. Throw the laddus. Throw the laddus. Have some laddus.
Just wait. You're stealing my laddus, huh?
Happy eating.
What a laddu. Now how do I blame these kids? The laddus are so yummy that you can't help but crave to eat them. What happened, Uncle? Someone's doing weird experiments out there. Oh no, run!
Huh? But who's doing these experiments? Huh?
I'm doing them. Look over here. Here. Up here. My name is Raman. Actually, I'm Avi uncle's nephew. And like him, I'm also an expert in science.
Clean up the house. Clean up the house.
And this is my robot called Dumbo.
Dumbo? Why Dumbo?
Because he's an expert in goofing up in every job he does.
Clean up the house.
Hey, stop it! Hey!
Clean up the house. Clean up, clean up, clean up.
But why is he throwing out everything?
because I have given him the order to clean up the house.
Clean up, clean up, clean up.
Only Kalia can fix him up.
Clean up the house. Naughty boy. Clean up, clean up, clean up.
What are you
clean up,
doing?
clean up.
Hey, stop hitting me!
How do I stop your Dumbo?
By pressing off his switch.
Huh? Who?
Clean up, clean up, clean up. Iron, iron, iron.
Oh no! He is now going to iron up all the clothes.
So what's the big problem in that?
Well, the problem is Dumbo will also iron those clothes which everyone is already wearing.
Oh!
Iron all the clothes.
What's this? Huh? Leave it!
Iron,
Stop!
Iron.
Leave me! Let me go! What are you doing?
Iron.
Leave me!
iron the
No!
clothes.
No! Leave me alone!
Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes.
This is the button to switch him off.
Oh!
94.
Looks like boss is going to touch 100 this time.
Yes, just like Bheem.
Hey boss, just 3 more to go.
And you will touch 100.
Bheem is lapping up all the praises out here.
And how sad. No one is even looking at you, boss.
You are not the only warrior out here. If you have the guts, try facing off with me, Bheem.
I accept your challenge.
Okay, go.
Look up there! Dark clouds!
This means the sun will shine and there will be rain too.
Finally, there will be some rain in Dholakpur.
And then we'll jump up and down in the puddles. What fun!
Aha, Bheem, children, come. Kalia and Dholu Bholu are already here to see my kitchen robot.
Kitchen robot?
Yes, made of glass, my helper in the kitchen can do so many jobs.
Oh, can he even scream like Kalia?
Oh no, what's this? The robot is out of control.
Hey, Dholu Bholu, why are you making him chase me? Oh no!
We were just trying to make an omelette for you, boss.
This way I'll become an omelette myself. Help me! Help me, someone! Help me!
What were you both up to?
Nothing. We had only pressed a few buttons.
Thank goodness you did not press all the buttons.
not working properly, Professor Dhoomketu.
No, Bhim, this will not stop now.
But we have to stop it, or Kalia will be in danger. I am sorry, Professor. I only wanted to stop the robot from hurting Kalia, not break it.
I know, Bhim. It's good that this glass is of a different kind and I can fix it. I just need to collect all the pieces.
Wow, look at this, Beam. It's like a pretty little rainbow. Remember? Uncle was telling us a story yesterday about how the rainbow got made.
Which story?
The story of a very powerful dragon who made a rainbow in the sky so that he could defeat the cruel Hazak.
Really? And I thought a rainbow is formed when rays of the sun fall on water droplets and turn direction, and that's when we see the 7 colors.
This is something that went over our heads. Huh? As if you both understand everything that you're told. If we did, we would not have been with you. Huh? What did you say? I'll show you both.
Actually, now's the right weather for the rainbow to be seen. But for that, it has to rain too.
What an enjoyable day it was today. I am glad that the professor could reassemble and repair the robot. I think it was quite strange that he too made a reference to the rainbow. Earlier we came third in the cycle race and now we came last. You two are so slow. Slow? If we had not given you a push, then forget about coming last. You wouldn't have even completed the race. How dare you talk to me like that? Run Wait! Forget it!
Do you think I'm a numbskull? Huh?
No. Of course not, boss. Though I don't know about the numb bit, but you're definitely not just a skull.
You both are going to have it from me. Stop, both of you.
Come on, Kalia. Let them be.
Oh no! Our fate doesn't have laddus today. Just hard work.
huge that I'm unable to hide behind these teeny tiny bushes. Get out of here, otherwise...
Come outside, Kalia. You're scared, but the bushes are shivering.
I am not scared. I was just trying to look for a weapon to scare away those wolves.
Bheem, let us camp here for the night.
What's this? You naughty lamb. How long will you make this old man of yours run around like this? What are you kids doing over here?
We have come here from Dholakpur on a holiday.
Holiday? And that too at this mountain? All you can see out here is just rocks.
Actually, this was the only place at Dholakpur which we had not seen ever. That is why, Uncle.
I must leave. Bela!
Was that a lamb or a lioness? This trip is not that bad, you see.
It's quite late at night. I'm feeling very sleepy.
I'll be on guard duty. All of you go to sleep.
Bheem is protecting everyone, even here.
Like he does at Dholakpur.
Let me do the guarding.
But Kalia...
Bheem, Neeli Pahadi's expert is Kalia the wrestler. I'll do the guard duty. Rest will sleep.